Hi everyone, so this screencast will just be a quick overview of Toddle and getting a couple of key settings done. So the first thing we need to do is just ensure that in your Edge browser you are logged into your CDNIS school account. Okay, if you're not, please go back to one of the other videos on this channel that will show you how to log into Edge using your school account. Alright, so if you did go through one of those previous videos, you should have an important links folder up here, and in here you'll have one for Toddle sign in. Alright, so when you come to the landing page, click on I'm a student, log in with Microsoft, and then you should get to the landing page for Toddle. So once you're logged in, you're going to be able to see the same classes that are on your schedule. And, just some things up here, and these are sort of site-wide, your announcements. Teachers might send you announcements, or announcements from Miss Maloney might come through here. Your calendar, that is where you're going to see all of your upcoming assignments, tasks, summative assessments, and your grade book, where you will see the grades for your summative assessments. Okay, over here is just a quick view of those same things without going into the calendar. Okay, so the first thing we need to actually do is make sure that even though we logged in with Microsoft, we still have to authorize Toddle to be able to access our files on OneDrive and SharePoint. So I'm going to come up here and go into click on my profile, and you can see here we can connect a Microsoft account. Okay, so that's where we're going to start. Alright, and because I was already logged in using a Microsoft account, it just did that automatically. It might prompt you to enter your username and password again. And now we're going to just come back out here to our main page, and we're going to click on Calendar. Alright, so what we want to do, just like we've connected our Veracross class schedule to our Outlook calendar, we want to also connect our Toddle calendar to our Outlook calendar. Okay, so we want to do Microsoft Calendar, and we'll say all events in one calendar. So this will sync the assignments and anything else that is added to as a dated event in Toddle to appear in your Outlook Microsoft Calendar. Unsubscribe. Okay, so if you have logged in with your CDNIS profile, then this should pop up automatically. Otherwise, it might ask you to log into Microsoft. So we can call this Toddle Calendar. You can give it any color you want. Maybe one that's just different than your other calendars, so you can distinguish between your personal events, your Veracross events, and your Toddle events. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to add it to my calendars, click on Import, and done. Okay, so now when I come back out to my calendar, okay, I can see that there is my regular calendar, my class schedule, and my Toddle calendar. So that's actually it for this screencast. I just wanted to make sure you can log into Toddle and that you connect your OneDrive and SharePoint files and folders to Toddle, and that you connect your Toddle calendar to your Outlook calendar. So that's it for this screencast. Thank you for watching.